So we are doing the Hertfordshire to Cambridge run again, starting off in Hitchin this time rather than Stevenage, so it only knocks about 8 miles or so off the ride. We've just done the quarter of the Greenway, and yeah, so we're just coming into Baldock, and then we're gonna make our way up to the next village. We've only done this once. The last time was April 2024, so we've got charging sorted at the pub in St.Ives in Cambridge, so all should be good. The difference this time is we have is apparently I can't ride anymore. Yeah, certainly. Yeah. So yeah, difference this year is that I've got a fast charger, whereas last time I didn't, so I didn't manage to charge to full. And I'm better seated riding.
Stone and a half heavier.
Yeah, exactly. I went one way, Dean went the other way. Dean? Are you behind me again? Oh, there you are! Dean! Hey.
When I close my eyes, so burn the map, I ignore the signs, been feeling far away, 2 years in a couple of days, I just wave my hand to the world outside like it's all okay. I can't believe what my eyes have seen. I just woke up from a broken dream.
So we're just outside of Ashwell. We've just gone through by something. Bygrave, that was it, Bygrave. And we're, like last time, we're essentially following the Cambridge train line to Shepworth. And then we go on our normal Cambridge ride. It's nice. It got about 25 mile an hour crosswinds, nowhere near as bad as last time, which was 30 to 40 mile an hour. Like I said before, I've got a fast charger, which helps, because last time, yeah, it wasn't great. I had to stop on the way home and charge. That was great. Yeah, cool. And then yeah, I can seated ride now better, so that should make it easier.
You can stop my hands from shaking. I need you to take them, and I don't wanna wait all night. I'm coming alive, and my senses are a little demented. Could this be right?
So yeah, me and Dean have made it to past Bassingbourne. Got a round of applause, which I'm pretty sure was for us rather than the runners. We'll assume it's ours. And yeah, we're on the way to Meldreth and then Shepworth, which will be the start of our normal Cambridge ride. So away we go.
It feels like my heart's gone.